Hello and welcome to Investor Web, your trusted hub for insightful content. We are committed to providing you with knowledge that empowers, inspires, and helps you to make informed decisions. Our content spans a broad spectrum, from investment strategies to personal development, all aimed at enriching your perspective. Now let's switch gears a bit. Ever wondered what skills can help you become smarter? We're not talking about acing exams, we're talking about skills that help you navigate life with more wisdom, understanding, and insight. Skills that equip you to think critically, solve problems creatively, and communicate effectively. In today's world, these skills are more vital than ever. So, buckle up as we embark on this enlightening journey of discovery. We have a fascinating list of 10 skills that, when nurtured, can significantly boost your intellectual prowess. Today, we dive into an exciting topic: 10 skills you need to get smarter. The first skill on our list is curiosity. Curiosity, dear viewers, is the spark that ignites the flame of knowledge. It is the driving force that pushes us to explore, learn, and grow. It is an eagerness to learn more about the world around us, a thirst that can never be quenched. Curiosity inspires us to question the status quo, to probe deeper into the mysteries of life and the universe. It's the powerful urge that led humanity to land on the moon and delve into the secrets of DNA. It's curiosity that drives scientists to keep exploring, innovators to keep inventing, and learners to keep learning. Curiosity opens the door to a world of knowledge and understanding. It encourages us to constantly seek out new information, to challenge our beliefs, and to stretch our minds. Remember, curiosity isn't just about asking questions, it's about seeking the answers. Our second skill is critical thinking. Now, this isn't about being critical of others, but rather it's about taking a deep, analytical view of situations, problems, and decisions. It's about breaking down complex scenarios into manageable pieces, analyzing each piece, and then forming an objective judgment. Critical thinking helps us sift through information, separate fact from opinion, and understand the implications of our decisions. It's the skill that allows us to question assumptions, recognize biases, and challenge the status quo. So whether you're solving a difficult problem, making a big decision, or just trying to understand a complex situation, critical thinking is your best tool. It's like being a detective, sifting through clues, piecing together evidence, and then making an informed decision. And just like detective work, it's a skill that can be honed with practice. Critical thinking enables us to make informed decisions by analyzing information objectively. Moving on, our third skill is creativity. Now, creativity is not just about painting masterpieces or writing poetry. It's about thinking outside of the box, about finding new ways to tackle challenges and solve problems. It's about looking at the world around you and seeing possibilities where others see obstacles. Creativity is what drives innovation. It's what brings about new ideas, new solutions, and new ways of doing things. It's what makes us human and what sets us apart from the rest of the animal kingdom. It's what allows us to dream, to imagine, to create. In the realm of problem solving, creativity is paramount. It allows us to approach issues from different angles, to come up with solutions that are not just effective, but also innovative and unique. It allows us to turn problems into opportunities and challenges into triumphs. So remember, creativity is not just for artists, it's a vital skill for all aspects of life. Next up is communication. As human beings, we are social creatures. We thrive on interaction, collaboration, and shared understanding. And at the heart of these interactions is communication. It's not just about talking or writing, it's about conveying ideas, emotions, and knowledge in a way that others can understand and resonate with. It's about active listening, empathy, and understanding the perspectives of others. Think of communication as the bridge between you and the world around you. When you communicate effectively, you build stronger relationships, you collaborate more efficiently, and you solve problems more effectively. You see, communication is not a one-way street. It requires both speaking and listening, understanding and being understood. In essence, communication is a skill that can be honed and improved. It's about clarity, empathy, and mutual understanding. It's about being able to express your ideas clearly and confidently while also being open to the ideas of others. Effective communication is key to expressing and understanding ideas clearly. The fifth skill we have is resilience. This is more than just a trendy buzzword. It's a fundamental part of becoming smarter. Resilience is the gritty determination that keeps you going, even when the going gets tough. It's the inner strength that propels you forward, even when you're faced with obstacles that seem insurmountable. Think of resilience as your personal shock absorber. It's what cushions the blow when you experience setbacks or failures. It's the ability to pick yourself up, dust yourself off, and keep moving forward no matter what. It's about learning from your mistakes and using them as stepping stones on your journey to success. But here's the kicker: resilience isn't something you're born with, it's something you develop. It's like a muscle that gets stronger the more you use it. So the more challenges you face and overcome, the more resilient you become. Resilience is the ability to bounce back from setbacks and keep going. We've already covered 5 essential skills. Let's quickly recap before proceeding to the next 5. We kicked off with curiosity, the driving force behind our quest for knowledge. It's the spark that ignites the fire of inquiry, opening up a world of possibilities. Next, we delved into critical thinking, the skill that lets us sift through information, distinguishing fact from fiction and making informed decisions. Our third skill, creativity, is not just about artistic expression, it's about innovative problem solving, connecting disparate ideas and thinking outside the box. Then we explored communication, the cornerstone of effective interaction. Whether it's articulating ideas, listening actively, or interpreting nonverbal cues, communication plays a pivotal role. Lastly, we discussed resilience. In a world of constant change, the ability to bounce back from adversity, adapt, and keep going is invaluable. With these skills in mind, let's continue to the next 5. Now let's unveil the remaining 5 skills. As we delve deeper into the realm of intellectual enhancement, we encounter the 6th skill, adaptability. This skill is about being flexible and open to new ideas, experiences, and challenges. It's about adjusting to changing circumstances and not being afraid to step out of your comfort zone. In essence, being adaptable means understanding that change is a constant, and embracing it can lead to growth and learning. This skill can help us become smarter by broadening our perspectives and allowing us to learn from a variety of situations and experiences. Next up, we have empathy, the 7th skill. Empathy is the ability to understand and share the feelings of others. It's about putting yourself in someone else's shoes and seeing the world from their perspective. This skill is crucial for developing emotional intelligence, a key component of being smart. By understanding others, we can better understand the world around us and make more informed and compassionate decisions. Our 8th skill is patience. Yes, patience is indeed a skill, and it's a vital one. Patience allows us to persevere in the face of adversity, to wait for the right moment, to understand that some things take time. It teaches us to not rush judgment, to be thorough in our learning, and to appreciate the process as much as the outcome. Patience helps us become smarter by promoting thoroughness, understanding, and resilience. Perseverance, the 9th skill, is closely linked to patience. Perseverance is about not giving up even when things get tough. It's about being determined and resilient, pushing through challenges and staying committed to your goals. Perseverance can make us smarter by encouraging us to continue learning and growing even when it's difficult. It shows us that we can overcome obstacles and achieve great things if we're willing to put in the effort and keep going. Last but definitely not least, we have positivity, the 10th skill. Positivity is about maintaining a positive outlook, even in the face of adversity. It's about focusing on the good, being optimistic, and believing in your abilities. Positivity can help us become smarter by fostering a growth mindset, promoting resilience, and encouraging us to see challenges as opportunities for growth rather than setbacks. These skills not only make us smarter, but also enrich our personal and professional lives. Each of these skills, adaptability, empathy, patience, perseverance, and positivity, plays a crucial role in our ability to learn, grow, and become smarter. By developing and honing these skills, we can enhance our intellectual capabilities, navigate life's challenges with greater ease, and ultimately lead more fulfilling and successful lives. So, those are the 10 skills you need to get smarter. We've journeyed through the realms of curiosity, critical thinking, creativity, communication, resilience, and 5 other key skills. Each of these is a vital cog in the machinery of a sharper, brighter mind. Curiosity fuels the desire to learn. Critical thinking allows us to evaluate information Objectively, creativity helps us innovate and communication allows us to express our thoughts clearly. Resilience, on the other hand, keeps us going even when the going gets tough. The last 5 skills, which we've just unveiled, further expand our cognitive horizons. Remember, it's not about mastering these skills overnight, it's about making small, consistent efforts to incorporate them into our daily lives. Thank you for tuning into Investor Web. Don't forget to subscribe for more insightful videos like this one. Until next time, keep investing in yourself.